Warm. Hey-oh, kiddo.
Hunger Games lover.
And our 512. Today
Sorry,
we're doing
our
cat.
PJs now.
Yeah, it's midnight. Like, it's 12:01 right now. It's
My
Richard's
birthday's
Day.
over.
It's Richard's Day. You know, I just noticed we were born. Both of us were born by holidays. I was born by 2 holidays.
I was born.
Valentine's Day and President's Day. I'm like,
Mine's Veterans Day.
yours is before. Mine's right in the middle of February. Mine's is February 15th. Hers is November 10th. Hers is 10th of November. Mine's right in between 2 holidays, so I get lots of cake. And then I almost throw up the next day.
Yeah. Hers is a 1-5. Wait.
What? 156.
Well, this says 51 now, so
5 1.
1-5.
What?
51.
Got it.
What? 15.
So anyway.
And I'm a 1-0.
600. You need 600 to pass. You got 6.
Anyway, so we are doing what cats would be like. I just noticed this on here. It looks like your pants look like
Turkey ducks.
no, it looks like my blanket. Anyway, so I will be the cat. She'll be the human. So it's kind of like what cats would act like if they were. She's
Putting my hair in a bun.
yeah. I
Dirty
like what
bark.
cats act like at our houses because she has. How many do you have? We have like 4. I have 2. You look like Jeannie from Extra Credit. I have my food, which is a pickle. Ow.
What's extra credit? It's when you get credit for the things you weren't able to do before.
Liz, what are you doing?
That's me.
Are we ready for that extra credit?
Okay, what happened?
We're good. So all you have to do during your
Okay, guys.
and never have to come anywhere near this.
So, a cat watching a human watching TV.
Yeah.
Instagram. I didn't knock anything over. What? Nope. Not me.
There. That's only 7 words. Only 3 more.
We'd be good. Ow!
No.
Huh?
Drop it.
Huh?
No.
Look, bit your toe.
Picture what you've written is fine. Just let me see. No,
I'm allergic.
only 10 words.
Nice kitty. Oh, aha. Very painful cat too.
Oh. A human being a cat.
And then now it's gonna be a kitty.
A human being a cat. You don't know you're a human. But in a cat's body. This is actually confusing. Lap it up. So lap it up, lap it up, okay. A cat eating. I don't.
Well, that doesn't matter. You passed. You passed.
I'm eating the pickle.
Okay, I was like,
No! My turn. Lay down. Try to eat this pickle with my mouth. Oh no! Put down the plate. Put the plate down. There you go. Oh, shit. Stay here, kitty.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, come, kitty. Ow! Here. Oh, nothing happened.
It's fun. I do this all the time.
So much destruction. This reporter asks why. Local consensus places the blame on this
Ow!
selfish driving instructor.
You done?
You need to refill it.
No!
You're not supposed to take it. You're supposed to refill it.
Oh.
He doesn't even have a phone to
Ow.
drive.
So it's feeling weird.
Now to go home and
What?
No, it's still full.
Okay, so
No.
To the greatest teacher ever.
No.
I know I speak for everyone when I say that we
No, it's
consider
true.
you a member of the Square Pants.
This is weird.
it's not empty. You done?
A cat, a human in a cat's body trying to
We
eat.
were starting to think
Go
SpongeBob
get
was
cookie
never
cake.
going to get his license. But you never gave up on him. You never quit. You never took the easy way out.
Well, okay.
We wanted to make sure Mrs. Huff, the greatest driving teacher in the world, was here to see this.
See what?
I am ready. A brand new automobile.
Yep. You put on a plate.
Oh. Okay.
Actors all annoying.
What have I done? Everyone will know that I let him slide through school. I'll have to move to a new city and start a new boarding school with a new name. No, not again. I've got to end this thing.
Here, Kiki, come, Kiki.
No, it's you.
You do quite a buster there.
Kitty, food, kitty. Ow! Remember, you're human trapped in a cat's body.
There for a while.
That's right, honey.
Do you think it should be like cut up?
And no going near the boat.
I broke them. That's you like a cat.
Yeah.
You like a cat.
Boogie, you're cold. Take my sock. Oh, Boogie, I'm always going to take care of you. You're the best boy in the deep blue sea.
The cat napping. My turn. Cat napping.
Hey, I'm dropping. Who are you and what are you doing in my boat? And why are you wearing that ski mask? Because you're not skiing! Oh my gosh, I know who you are!
No, you don't. You don't know who I am.
Yes, I do! I know that you're a boat tracker! I never thought I'd have to
No,
get
a human trapped in a cat's body trying to sleep. Nate. Josh.
This cushion's so funny.
Where's your bed? No, your bed's right there. You're trying to figure out a way to get in there. And my pants will dump me out. Ow! I landed on my wrist. Ah.
A human cat sleeping, it will be like this.
Okay. No! This is my bed! No!
Looks like that got rid of him. Now for some tunes.
And now that's the KRUD with all of your personal
Us what? Listen to that video. That's it before Olivia attacks me. Hungarians over attacks me. Oh no! Ah! I didn't push her. You fake fault.
So, how's it going, Lisa?
SpongeBob?
Nom nom.
So, I guess I gotta get my license back, huh?
I feel Mrs. Flounder is starting a new class Monday morning.
You kidding? You're the only teacher for this.
So you guys, we'll be making part 2 of that fighting scene. See y'all later. Bye.